Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Elisha Bendel here with MHS. I'm joined by Colin Secco with Thor, and we've got a really exciting product to talk about. This is the launch of the brand new Inception HD. We've had the Inception and Pasadena from Thor for a long time, and it's been a really successful product from Thor. But now they've come out with a new product, and it's the Inception HD, and they're going to have the sister product, the Pasadena SV. And what this is an upgraded version of the Inception. It's like the Accolade to the Accolade XL, but it is a enhancement package to this product. It is a luxury package to this product. It comes with a lot of additional features that make this really just the luxury version of the Inception. And I couldn't be happier with what you guys have done. So let's talk about the upgrades that you guys have done to it. We're going to go over the exterior features and interior. Thanks for being here, Colin.
Certainly.
Talk to us about the main exterior things that you guys have done to it.
Yeah, 100%. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
Very excited to launch the brand with you guys, and obviously incredible partnership. That's why we chose to launch it here, and this will be the first place to see it, and first place to see one for a while. So, good stuff. But yeah, exterior, that's something that we've been really proud of on the normal, Inception Pasadena. We've had some graphics packages, and really the stealth package, a lot more comprehensive on that. That's been a huge hit with customers. We do the full mirror caps, the wheels, the bumper.
It's American racing rims.
And just to touch on some of the already great things that the Inception has overall. Competition is LED headlights. We still have the raised cab over, which that gets into one of the coolest advantages of the Inception HD is going to be that integrated awning. So what most will do is they'll put that roof mounted awning up there and just have some end caps and just kind of cap it off, and it looks kind of just slapped on there. We fully integrated into that front cap, and you'll see that beautiful rear cap as well. So it looks much more like a very high-end A-diesel bus.
Yeah, so what you notice is you don't see the ACs on the Inception HD, so you have those Girard armless awnings, and the ACs are fully hidden. So just a really clean look, but like you said, it looks like a high-end diesel pusher.
Certainly. Yeah, and a big upgrade in awning too. Instead of being the slide wall mounted, you're going to have the dual angle, and again, just looks incredible both in and out, which is great.
What else on the outside is upgraded?
Yeah, so our entry door, really in looking at what some of the nice things were when you jump up to a high-end A-diesel, that's a big part. So it's going to be a huge, much larger, entry, but also just much more solid, both close and shut. When you open it up, it's going to have that lock as well, so you don't have to worry about winds coming in.
I'll say what Colin won't say. Basically, it's not like a gas entry door. It's like a diesel entry door, right? So the Inception HD, it has like a diesel Class A entry door, right? So very, very sturdy. Sounds great. It's solid.
100%. Yeah, and back to the unit and the chassis. A lot of advantages. S2RV chassis. Big difference from having those fuel tanks up front. We're gonna have the fuel cell all the way at the rear for better balance. Air ride on the rear, still have our air ride seats, and then the biggie is going to be a 15,000-pound tow. Nobody else on that chassis with a 6.7 is going to offer anything higher than a 12,000. So really, just especially when comparing to a Class A diesel, it's not going to hold you back ever, and you're going to be able to have that same capability with a unit that's going to be a little bit more affordable, and honestly looks as tough, if not tougher.
Looks fantastic. Yeah. A couple of small things on the outside. Obviously, you've got the frameless windows. You've got the slide topper standard.
Yeah, and I love the magnet release here too. You don't have to worry about fishing around for a little pull. So that's a nice little snap right back into place. And soundbar out here as well. Full pass-through storage, 100%.
All side hinge.
Yep, side hinge.
You just hear the quality.
Bus-style doors.
Yep.
And easy to miss if you don't bend down and look. But full pass-through. Not all competitors will run that. No carpet whatsoever.
And tire size?
Yeah, 295s. Most are going to be 275s in that range. So just more volume of air in the tires, bigger footprint, going to result in a smoother ride than anything else out there.
Perfect. Let's check out the inside.
Indeed.
All right, this is where it gets really exciting. So the Inception HD has a lot of upgrades on the interior. So you're going to get heated floors on the Inception HD. You're going to get porcelain tile floors. Countertops, all solid surface.
All the way throughout, even the little ones. Yep.
What about the cabinetry? You guys did
so full hardwood. No cheating like a lot of things at this price point with the wrap styles. It's going to be full hardwood. Every bit of wood that you see is going to be
Massive.
actual. Yeah.
Mass upgrade of the furniture as well.
Yeah, indeed, and yeah, big upgrade. Solid surface again on the booth dinette, and we squared off. So big upgrade in the furniture. There's going to be a villa,
Yep.
which that's as high end as it gets. So really, really good quality of furniture, and just all the trims again just kind of turn into that high end A diesel. Nothing against normal Inception. It's a great product, but we just wanted to step the game up for this HD.
And then also this has the Aqua Hot. So it's going to give you an all electric coach. So your regular Inception is going to have propane on board. The Inception HD is going to be all electric. It has the Aqua Hot 250D. So no propane on board whatsoever.
Exactly right.
And then just another thing, I kind of wanted to have a shot of the cab this way because this is one of the areas where the Inception HD kind of shines, is this massive overhead cab area. No other Super C on the market has as tall of a cab as this. They're all very, very small. They're shrunk. If you sit up, your head hits the roof, hits the ceiling. So I love the way you guys do the cab here.
Appreciate that. Yeah, it's been a
looks
huge
nice.
hit.
It's great molding. It looks fantastic.
It makes the whole coach feel a little bit more open too, and those cabs, it's easy for those to get a little stuffy in hotter climates. So having the vent that actually pushes air directly into the cab is awesome too. Just a lot of advantages to how we design this overhead.
That's a great point. So just to recap, so on the exterior, you've got integrated roof line with the Girard awning, so it hides those ACs. You've got the Aqua Hot 250D. You've got electric heated floors. You have porcelain tile floor. You have villa furniture. You have solid surface countertops. All solid wood. Cabinetry and everything. A lot of upgrades on this Inception HD. I think this is going to sell really, really well. And then the great thing as well is Motorhome Specialist has probably exclusively like the first batch to come off the production line. So if you're looking for one of these, come check us out at mhsrv.com. We'd be happy to help you out and get you a great deal on one of these Inception HDs. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.